Hola colegas y bienvenidos a Inglés para la reparación de electrodomésticos. Yo soy Dr. L. En este video vamos a aprender palabras y frases que usted puede usar en el trabajo. Hello and welcome to Spanish for Appliance Repair. I'm Dr. L. In this video we're going to take a look at some words and phrases to use on the job. Alright, vamos a empezar. La nevera, the refrigerator. El microondas, the microwave. El horno, the oven. La estufa, the stove. El triturador, the garbage disposal. El lavaplatos, the dishwasher. So for la nevera, it's similar to the word nevar, which means to snow. El microondas, ondas means waves. El horno, the H is silent. La estufa, that one's regular. El triturador, that's kind of translating as the grinder. And then el lavaplatos, lavar is to wash, and platos are dishes. So just kind of some background information to know about these keywords. La puerta, the door. El asa, el mango, the handle. El botón, the button. El cerrojo, the latch. El pomo, el tirador, the knob. El interruptor de encendido, apagado, the on-off switch. All right, here we've got some AR verbs. Sacar, to take out. Instalar, to install. Cortar, to cut. Llevar, to bring. Conectar, desconectar, to connect, to disconnect. Apretar, to tighten. Aflojar, to loosen. So later on in the video, we're going to take a look at some phrases. And if you want to use these verbs, what you're going to do is just drop the R, and then you can tell somebody to do these items. Saca, instala, corta, lleva, conecta, desconecta, aprieta, afloja. Apagar, to turn off. Encender, to turn on. El cable de tierra, the ground wire. El rojo, the red. El blanco, the white. El verde, the green. El negro, the black. And so to talk about a certain cable, you say el cable rojo, el cable blanco, el cable verde, el cable negro. La electricidad, the electricity. So there's many words in Spanish that end in DAD that correspond to English words that end in ITY. And these words are feminine. La electricidad, starting with la. La caja de fusibles, the fuse box. El interruptores de corto circuito, the ground fault interrupter, or the interrupters of short circuit. La sala de servicio, the service room or the utility room. El fusible, the fuse. El motor, the motor. El agua, the water. El desagüe, the drain. La línea de alimentación, the supply line. La manguera, the hose. La válvula, the valve. El escape, la fuga, the leak or the drip. So notice for water, even though it ends in A, it's el agua. And then notice the word to drain or the drain is pretty similar. Des is to get rid of something, so it's kind of like getting rid of the water. La línea de alimentación, the supply line or the feeder line. El tornillo, the screw. El destornillador, the screwdriver. La llave inglesa, the wrench. El perno, the bolt. La tuerca, the nut. La arandela, the washer. Okay, so tornillo and tuerca kind of has to do with the word torque, to torque something or twist something. And notice for destornillador, the screwdriver, des means to undo something, so they're actually calling it the unscrewer. La llave inglesa, the wrench. This one's translating as the English key. Llave is key, inglesa means English. Para seguridad, for safety. Los guantes, the gloves. Las gafas, the glasses. Las rodilleras, the knee pads. La linterna, the flashlight or the lantern. La caja de herramientas, the toolbox or the box of tools. El balde, the bucket. La cinta métrica, the tape measure. Los alicates, the pliers. El nivel, the level. El taladro, the drill. La navaja, the razor. And this last word, maybe you recognize the word Navajo as the indigenous person. Well, anyways, has to do with maybe saying that Navajo people carry knives around with them is kind of where that word comes from. So maybe you recognize that. Deslizar, to slide. Empujar, to push. Desaguar, to drain. Ajustar, to adjust. Verificar, to check or verify. Sujetar, to clamp. And again, if you want to tell somebody to do these items, just drop the R. Desliza, empuja, desagua, ajusta, verifica, sujeta. All right, aquí tenemos unas frases. Here we've got some phrases. La nevera no funciona. The refrigerator doesn't work. Tenemos que sacar la vieja. We have to take out the old one. Vamos a instalar la nueva. We're going to install the new one. Apaga la línea de agua. Turn off the water line. So some of these words and phrases here, you can kind of mix and match stuff. So with the second one here, tenemos que, we have to. And then you can just take those other verbs that we took a look at before and then just insert them there. You don't need to change anything. Tenemos que, we have to do something. And for our third phrase, vamos a, is we're going to do something. And then just switch out the second verb there, and you don't need to make any changes to it. Vamos a, we're going to do something. El lavaplatos no vacía. The dishwasher doesn't drain. Dónde está la caja de fusibles? Where's the breaker box? Yo voy a apagar la electricidad. I'm going to turn off the electricity. Verifica que no hay poder. Check that there's no power. All right, so on the second phrase, ¿Dónde está? Just a useful phrase. Where is blank? Mix and match with whatever you're looking for. And then on the third phrase, yo voy a apagar, I'm going to do something. So for that second verb, you don't need to change anything. Just say, I'm going to do something. Yo voy a. Vamos a instalar el triturador. Let's install the garbage disposal. So again, mix and match that one. Vamos a, let's do something, or we're going to do something. Conecta el desagüe y la manguera. Connect the drain and the hose. Aprieta la abrazadera de manguera. Tighten the hose clamp. Enchufa el cable de alimentación. Plug in the power cord. Lleva la caja de herramientas de la camioneta. Bring the toolbox from the truck. Trae la estufa. Bring the stove. Saca el microondas. Take out the microwave. Enciende el agua y la electricidad. Turn on the water and the electricity. All right, thanks for watching. Gracias por ver. Hasta entonces. We'll see you soon. Ciao.